Hello students, good morning. Welcome to SS Online Classes. Students, we were reading chapter 11 Peter Meets Wendy of our English literature book as we Shasta. Students, in our last class, we have completed exercise A and we have also completed question number A and B of second context of exercise B of this chapter 11 Peter Meets Wendy. And students, today we are going to read and solve question number C of the second number context of exercise B of this chapter 11. And then we shall also read and solve exercise C of this chapter 11 Peter Meets Wendy. And last we shall also read and solve exercise B of chapter 12 My Computer in our today's class. Okay, so all students please press partial attention class and listen to my words clearly. Firstly, we are going to read and solve question number C of second number context of exercise B of chapter 11 Peter Meets Wendy. Let's see question number C. Students, so question number C is, where did the speaker get the fairy dust from? The answer of this question is, this speaker get the fairy dust from Tinker Bell Fairy. Let's see exercise C. Students, your exercise C is think and answer. Let's see first number question of this exercise C. Students, so first number question of this exercise C is, if you had the chance to travel to one of the fantasy worlds that you have read about in books, which one would you want to visit? Give reasons for your answer. Students, the answer of this question is, if I had the chance to travel to one of the fantasy worlds that I have read about in books, I would want to visit Jaipur because it is called Pink City of India. It is famous for Rajasthani traditional jewelry, traditional fabrics and handicrafts, and also for traditional Rajasthani cuisine. Okay, students, let's see last question of this exercise. Students, your second number question of this exercise is, Peter says that children do not believe in fairies anymore. Do you also not believe in fairies? If you do, then which one would you like to be with and why? Let's see answer of this question. Instead, the answer of this question is, I believe in fairies. If I had to live with a fairy, then I would like to be with Pari, which is an Indian and a very beautiful and good fairy. Okay, so then we have completed question number C of second context of exercise B, and we have also completed exercise C of this chapter 11, and I hope you must have understood this question answer. Okay, now we are going to read and solve exercise B of chapter 12. Let's see. Then the name of this chapter 12 is My Computer. The exercise B of this chapter 12 is answer these questions. Let's see first number question of this exercise B. So first number question of this exercise B is, what confuses the speaker about the computer? The answer of this question is, the speaker talks about how he fails to understand the language of RAM and ROM. He has no idea about what gigabytes are. Okay, students, let's see second number question. Students, the second number question is, what according to the speaker does the mouse do? The answer of this question is, according to the speaker, the mouse translates the task and points out his mistakes. Students, let's see third number question of this exercise B. Students, our third number question is, 8 computer and I work hard and I explain this line. Students, the answer of this question is, this line refers that the speaker is trying to work on computer but he is confused because he does not about computer's language, Windows, ScanDisk, etc. and computer hard work because it is points out his mistakes. Let's see last question of this exercise B. Students, your 4 number question of this exercise B is, how old do you think is the speaker? Give reasons. Students, the answer of this question is, the speaker is a small child, may the age of 8 to 10 years because it is a new thing for him and he is trying to work on it and does not know about RAM, ROM and gigabytes. Okay, so students, we have also completed exercise B of this chapter 12 My Computer, and I hope you must have understood all these questions of this exercise B of chapter 12. You have no problem in any question of this chapter 12. Okay, so students, we shall read and solve exercise C of this chapter 12 My Computer in our next video. Okay, and so students, today's classwork is that note down C number question of second number contest of exercise B, and also note down exercise C of this chapter 11, and note down exercise B of chapter 12 My Computer in your FAR English Literature notebook. It's a today's classwork, and students, the homework is that learn all these questions फ्रॉम योर फेयर इंग्लिश लिटरेचर नोटबुक. इट्स अ टुडेज होमवर्क. आपका क्लास वर्क है कि आपको ये क्वेश्चन आंसर अपनी फेयर इंग्लिश लिटरेचर की नोटबुक पे नोट डाउन करनी है विथ बेस्ट हैंड राइटिंग. इट्स अ टुडेज क्लास वर्क. आज आपका क्लास वर्क है, आपका होमवर्क है कि जो भी क्वेश्चन आंसर आज मैंने एक्सप्लेन किए वो आपको लर्न करने. ओके.